Hey fellas, back again. Alright, so I'll do a couple of things. Alright, so this is I put some metho or terps into this bottle here. It was an old diamond and precious jewellery cleaner bottle, so that should hold the contents pretty well. The lid's pretty secure. So I reckon I'll probably get about three water boils out of this. You know, 3 meals out of it. So for a day trip, I mean that's just plenty. Yeah, it's a scout bag, day bag. So yeah. So these are my contents. That's going to go into this bag here. I do have heaps of room in there to put some stuff in. So and you guys have seen the review on that. And I've got my food pouch here. So first thing, I'll get the good old Cedar Summit cup and slip this right in there. That fits perfect, nice and flat. Still got heaps of room. It's stretchy material. Still got heaps of room to put food in there for a day trip. You know, some noodles, some rice, some soups. Yeah, I mean, I could probably fit quite a bit in here because the strapping does. I've still got that much height to pack it out. So yeah, it fits really nice in there. It's good. I'm happy with that. I've got this old little case that's actually for a gas burner, but I don't use it, so I'll stick the spirit stove in there. Right, you can just fit actually what I'll do first is I'll grab that and that can fit right on the side here. Move hand sanitizer. Yep, push him down there, so yep, so he's in there, right there. And then grab the stove and just shove her in there. So I mean, now my bag's packed out a bit more. I carry this knife sharpener. I do need it just in case I need to touch it up. So I'll shove him down there more. There you go. What I've done, I've put a rag at the back there. The actual stand can fit in between my tarp. So just slide him there. Okay, that's it. And folds and closes perfectly. And that's it. That's my full-on kit for a day hike. And then the water bottle will strap there, and my water bottle does have another stove system on there, so I could do two cooks at the same time. And that's it. That's my little World War II gas mask, day hike, day hunt, scout bag. Not too heavy either. It's yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, so that's done. Can't wait to test it out now. See how comfy it is on the shoulders. Alright, that's that. Now, I'm going to give the Opinel number 9 a sharpen. I've got the 1200 grit sandpaper on there. Now I'll just do a test first to show you what it's cutting like. At all. Push cutting, so no, it's not as sharp as this baby. The Opinel 8 push cut. Do a little curl. So that's that baby. Alright, so I'll get I'm using 1200 grit because I'll give this a go. I mean, I might need to start off on 800, but I'll give this a go, eh? It's 20. It's 20. It's 16. Hello. Okay, so it's sharper. And that was only 20 swipes, so there you go. Well, that's heaps sharper than it was before. Doesn't take much to sharpen these little babies, and yeah, I'll keep going at it. I'll just do it very lightly now, and yeah, get it just a little bit sharper. So there's my two Opinels. I'm going to start buying more of these. I really like them, and I think I might just collect the whole set. So I'm not going to worry about the little ones like that. I think it's just a waste. But I'll definitely start from number 8. I've got the number 9. I'll get the number 10, the 11, 12, and number 13. And I saw a video on some guy using the number 13 and testing the shit out of it, and mate, that thing did really well. It did really well. It was chopping, it was batoning, it was just slicing, dicing, it was just doing everything. So I'd be interested to get that. But yeah, started my little Opinel collection. So alright guys, next video I've got to deck out my medical pouch. Cheers.